Have you ever stopped to wonder, what does true financial freedom actually feel like? It's not just about having crores sitting in your bank account. It's much more than that. Financial freedom means having control over your life, your time, your choices, your dreams. Imagine this for a moment. You wake up on a weekday morning. There's no rush to fight traffic, no stress of monthly EMI pressure, no boss expecting your presence at sharp 9 a.m. Instead, you sip your morning tea calmly with your family. You plan your day, your way. That is financial freedom. But how do you get there? The path is not a secret. It's built on simple, disciplined steps. Consistently saving a portion of your income, investing those savings wisely, avoiding unnecessary debt, giving your investments enough time to grow, and most importantly, don't try to time the market, but give time in the market. Let's take an example. Rohit, a 25-year-old software engineer, decides to invest 10,000 rupees per month. He chooses a diversified equity mutual fund, expecting a 12% annual return. Now, watch the magic of consistency, patience, and compounding. After 10 years, 23 lakh. After 20 years, 99 lakh. After 30 years, 2.9 crore. And here's where time plays its most powerful role. You see, returns grow slowly in the beginning. But as years pass, your money starts multiplying faster. This is the magic most people miss. They quit too early. But those who stay invested long enough win big. Rohit, by his late 50s, isn't stressed about job loss, recession, or rising expenses. Because now, his money works harder than he ever did. Financial freedom gives you more than just money. It gives you back your time, freedom from financial anxiety, the ability to live life fully on your terms. You don't need a massive salary. Even modest amounts invested consistently with time can create massive wealth. Discipline, patience, and early action. That's the secret formula. Because financial freedom isn't a luxury. It's a reward for wise decisions made today. Take control. Start building. Create the life you desire. For more simple, practical, and powerful wealth-building insights, follow at wealth.smart.